Hello guys, let's learn some colors and shapes. Brown color, blue color, gray color, green color, pink color, dark brown color, yellow color, black color, violet color, baby pink color, forest green color.
Amazing!
Let's learn to draw some shapes. Triangle, circle, rectangle, square, right angle triangle, heptagon. Let's color the shapes. Green color. This is green color. Blue color. Blue color. Pink color. Pink color. Red color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck
Brown
one,
color.
the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Violet color.
Hickory dickory dock,
Violet color.
looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Triangle, circle, rectangle, square, right angle triangle, heptagon. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.